What is going on, everybody? Sorry I got the mask on, and sorry you cannot see my face. It's kind of dark here. But welcome to my channel again. I'm working on my 280Z, and right now I'm currently taking out the gas because I want to take down the fuel tank, and two, I wanted to see why I was having firing issues. I'm not sure if it's maybe my tank is flooded or old, but I got this car back in 2010, and I never drove it, so it sat around for a couple years, and I finally got it running back in 2021. Obviously, last year is 2022, and right now I'm currently, as you can hear, I'm taking out the gas, and I had more gas in there than I thought. So right now I've just been draining. I pulled the drain plug, as you can see underneath, and I'm just draining out the gas, and the gas looks pretty clear. So what I've been doing is just draining it out, and then I would put it in this little can over here. I feel like I got like 5 gallons of gas. I got a lot of gas right now, so hopefully it ends soon. If not, I'm gonna be screwed because I had like half a tank of gas in there, and I don't know how much a half a tank of gas is right now. So yeah, that's where I'm at. But yeah, I'll put this back into the can, and I'll let you guys know once I have all the gas out what's gonna happen next. So I'm gonna just try to, check a few things, check the fuel pump. The gas tank looks pretty new, honestly. It doesn't look old or dirty. So, and the gas has been coming out clean. I don't know if that's a part of what's going on. But basically, when I drive the car, after I drive for like 30 minutes, it doesn't happen every time. Sometimes like I've driven like at night and like it's when it's cool and it drives the whole way home. But it'll start to bog down, and then I'll have this issue where it won't go above like 50 miles per hour. So I'm trying to figure out what the hell is doing that. So I thought my next thing is fuel. I tried the air intake, or not the intake, but the manifold. Tried to clean that out. I took away some vacuum lines, maybe thinking of a vacuum leak or something. I changed the fuel filter twice. And now my next step is the fuel itself. So we're going to check the fuel pump, we're going to check the fuel tank, and we'll go from there, guys. So I'm going to change this out. Sorry, babe, this is the only thing I got left to use because they got a lot of freaking gas. I'll buy a new one, so I'm going to use this pot. And this gas is going to fucking slide the fuck all over the place. Sorry for my language, guys. I would not suggest you do this if you around fire. Around any type of fire. No gas was harmed in this video. Alright, so I highly underestimated how much fuel was in the car, and I fucked up, but I'll get it cleaned up, and this is as bad. But yeah, I ended up having to transfer the fuel over to my Challenger, which is over there covered. And the reason it's covered is because that car is kind of screwed up right now. Nothing like mechanically, but it just needs tires, oil change, little stuff. But you know, stuff's expensive right now, so I wanted to work on the project car instead of getting that stuff fixed. Smart idea. So here we are, and a puddle of fucking gas when we're in a gas shortage right now. Horrible. So the drops are getting thin. The gas is starting to dry, thank God. And after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn, yeah, 6 gallons of gas. We're almost at 7 gallons of gas. 7 gallons of gas later, the drip is beginning to fade. And that gas looks really good, guys. So I just called my homeboy up, and he told me that on older cars like this, there may be 2 filters. I've always only changed the one up front. My next task is to change the fuel pump. That might be it, but he also said the injectors. And I did the injectors on this car. Like, I didn't do them, but like I changed the hoses that run to the injectors, and I seen each injector. Yeah, they need to be changed. I'm not gonna lie about that. I'm not gonna front. Then my injectors need to be changed. Look at that. Oh, it's almost done. Will we see the day? I saw it get ready to fade. But anyways, like I said, guys, I already knew I needed to get new injectors. I'm not sure if that's the reason why that I'm having the, like, all of a sudden why all of a sudden the car would drive fine, and then 30 minutes later it's like not driving good. So maybe the injectors is dumping in too much gas. I don't know. But if you dump in too much gas, I guess the car may bog down. So that could be the reason why. But right now we're just gonna hope this gas is almost done, and then hopefully this dries up and I can go underneath the car and look at the fuel pump next. Alright guys, so the fuel tank is finally empty. That was a crazy introduction into emptying out your fuel tank. So I guess the next step is I'm going to actually take it down, because I wasn't going to do this, but I want to get this thing out of here. It's an eyesore, so I'm going to get that off of there finally, because I have this fuel out and I have time. But we're down to just like drips and drops. So we'll do that, and hopefully there's no more gas in here. Alright guys, so basically I took out the gas, I did everything, and come to find out, I was trying to do too many different projects at once, but the gas was good, it was clean, the tank is fine. I've come to find out, I think it's the fuel pump, so that'll be my next objective. I was trying to get this piece out too, but I don't want to have to drop the whole tank and everything. I think this is just going to be here for a while, so I'm going to leave that piece there. It'll be my little souvenir for whatever the case is when the car is like done and painted and driving well. But when I put gas back in it, the gas gauge worked, and the only bad thing was I was getting the sputtering still. So now I'm thinking to believe that it is the fuel pump. So I'm going to buy a new fuel pump. I'm not going to do it today. It's probably going to be a while because I'm going to wait to get paid again. And that'll be my next objective. And then maybe I can start doing the fun stuff with the car, making it look pretty and buying wheels and stuff like that. But right now I've just been trying to do mechanical stuff. Like I said, I've had the car for a year, so I've had it longer than a year, but I've been working on it for a year, and I got it running. Brakes are good, everything's good, but just trying to see what's next, and I think this fuel pump needs to be changed. So, thank you guys.